Hi, myself L. Chandrasekhar from the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. My topic is interpolation search. Introduction. Interpolation search is an algorithm for searching for a key in an array that has been ordered by numerical values assigned to the keys. It was first described by W. W. Peterson in 1957. Interpolation search resembles the method by which people search a telephone directory for a name. In each step, the algorithm calculates where in the remaining search space the sought item might be based on the key values at the bounds of the search space and the values of the sought key, usually via a linear interpolation. Principle behind the interpolation. Interpolation search find a particular item by computing the probe position. Initially, the probe position is the position of the middlemost item of the collection. If the middle item is greater than the item, then the probe position is again calculated in the subarray to the right of the middle item. Interpolation search. The interpolation search is an improvement over binary search for instantaneous, where the values in a sorted array are uniformly distributed. Binary search always goes to the middle element of to check. On the other hand, interpolation search may go to different location according to the values of the key being searched. For example, if the value of the key is closer to the last element, interpolation search is likely to start search toward the end side. Binary search has a huge advantage of time complexity over linear search. Linear search has worst case complexity of big O(n), whereas binary search has big O log n. There are cases where the location of target data may be known in advance. For example, in case of telephone directory, if we want to search the telephone number of morphemes, here linear search and even binary search will seem slow as we can directly jump to memory space where the names start from M are stored. Positioning in binary search. In binary search, if the desired data is not found, then the rest of the list is divided in two parts, lower and higher. The search is carried out in the either of them. Even when the data is sorted, binary search does not take advantage to prove the position of the desired data. Position probing in interpolation search. Interpolation search finds a particular item by computing the probe position. Initially, the probe position is the position of the middle most item of the collection. If the middle item is greater than the item, then the probe position is again calculated in the subarray to the right of the middle item. Otherwise, the item is searched in the subarray to the left of the middle item. This process continues on the subarray as well until the size of subarray reduced to 0. Runtime complexity of interpolation search algorithm is big O log of n as compared to big O log n of binary search tree in favorable situation. Choosing a search algorithm. The binary search and interpolation search algorithms are better in performance compared to both ordered and unordered linear search functions. Because of the sequential probing of elements in the list to find the search terms, ordered and unordered linear searches have a time complexity of big O(n). This gives a very poor performance when the list is large. The binary search operation, on the other hand, slices the list in two anytime a search is attempted. On each iteration, we approach the search term much faster than a linear strategy. The time complexity else big O log n. Despite the speed gain in losing a binary search, the main disadvantage of it is that it cannot be applied on a unsorted list of items. Neither is it advertised to the user to the list of small size due to an overhead of sorting. The ability to get to portion of the list that holds a search determines to large extent How will a search algorithm will performs? In the interpolation search algorithm, the midpoint is computed in such a way that it gives a higher probability of obtaining our search term faster. The average case time complexity of the interpolation search is big O log of log n, where areas the worst case time complexity of the interpolation search algorithm is big O log n. This shows that interpolation search is better than binary search and provides faster searching in most cases. Algorithm. Rest of the interpolation algorithm is the same except the above partition logic. Step 1. In a loop, calculate the value of POS using the probe position formula. Step 2. If it is a match, return the index of the item and exit. Step 3. If the item is less than array of POS, calculate the probe position of the left subarray. Otherwise, calculate the same in the right subarray. Repeat until a match is found or subarray reduced to 0. Comparison between interpolation and binary. Interpolation search works better than binary search for a sorted and uniformly distributed array. On average, the interpolation search makes about log of log n comparisons if the elements are uniformly distributed, where n is the number of elements to be searched. Thank you.